What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 2nd of July. We're taking a look this morning at Aerodrome Finance. We'll probably drop into Bitcoin as well. So it's Tuesday, the 2nd of July. We have a holiday week here. We have the 4th of July this week. We'll have some U.S. stock market closed for a bit there. Cryptocurrency markets, of course, continue to trade. So we're looking at Aerodrome here. So we continue to slide lower here. This thing is continuing to bleed out here. We had yesterday, the 1st of July, which was Monday. Nasty day. So we talked about down 6.46%. We talked about a couple things here, and this will be a pretty quick video here, but I want to recap real quick yesterday. We talked about a potential higher low coming in on the 30th, which was Sunday. And then we also talked about you really want to keep an eye out for the lows that were put in on the 21st, June 21st here. Those lows were 65. And I was talking about, look, you really don't want to undercut those lows unless you're bearish. Then, of course, you do. But you want to see those lows hold, and then the higher low that was printed on the 30th would be the start of a new rally. Well, we got the undercut yesterday. Looks like we hit a low yesterday of 64,587, and then today we're quiet, but we are trading lower, also putting in new daily lows. So the trend does continue to the downside. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then yesterday, once again, a lower low. One of the takeaways yesterday I talked about was be careful buying the dip. Okay, I mean, there's a time and place for stuff like that, but markets can really, really test you. They can continue to go way lower than you expect, and markets can also continue to go way higher than you expect. So if you're trying to short the market, or if you're trying to buy the dip, and you're just doing it, blindly, just be careful. You can get yourself in some deep trouble doing that. When it comes to individual cryptos or individual stocks is mainly what I'm talking about. If you're buying the dip on like an index, the markets go up over time. That's what they've done. That's what history shows us. That's different. Individual stocks, though, individual cryptos might never come back. So we'll see what happens here, okay? Even like in Bitcoin, history has shown us and proved to us that buying the dip over time, Bitcoin has risen over time. But not all cryptos make it back. So buying the dip, something to really consider if that's your strategy. Anyways, we have new lows in here. We're continuing to make new daily lows below the market. An area you want to watch that's potentially coming up next is the 61,275 level right here in purple. Keep your eye on that. And then below the market here, we have a 58,756 area right here in red. So we have two areas that the market might be heading to on the 2nd of July. Which is Tuesday. 61,275, 58,756, guys. So we'll see what happens. There is a chance that markets Aerodrome can undercut an important low, right? Which is right here. And then actually that can trigger a rally. It's essentially a double bottom. It's essentially a shakeout. We'll see if that happens, but you have to, if you're trying to get in and out of these markets, which I don't suggest, you really have to be nimble, and most people can't do it. It's very hard. Anyways, below the market from where we're currently trading at, the 61,275, which is the next area of potential support, is about 5.7% below. And then the 58,756, which is the one area below that, you're looking at about a 9.3% lower. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up here for Aerodrome. Just a quick update, guys. Be careful buying the dip. If that's your strategy, just really consider it, really try to critique it, have some rules around that because you can get wrecked doing that, especially if you're using leverage. Yeah, I don't know how sound that strategy is unless you're doing it on like an index. Uh, that's a little bit different. They go up over time. Individual stocks don't necessarily uh, do that. Not all of them, anyways. All right, guys, real quick over to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Bitcoin still, we have resistance above the market at the 63,788, 35. Right here, looks like we didn't quite get down to 62,206 and 3/4 as support. We're in between these two levels. We'll see what happens here. Pretty good reversal that we got off that level on the first yesterday. All right, guys, it's just going to be a quick update here for Aerodrome and Bitcoin. We'll be back throughout the week with some more videos, maybe in the morning as well as in the evening. Feel free, let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. We continue to have issues with the spam, the bots. We continue to add more blocked words to the rules as they continue to have new ones. So doing the best we can there. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome and the rest of the market. We also have U.S. stocks selling off once again today. Big old whipsaw from yesterday to this morning, at least for the futures. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're not yet joined us here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it. Have a great day and have a great holiday week. Take care.